Let's start with a quick look at the map. Istanbul is located in the northwest of Turkey, stretching across two continents, Europe and Asia. It's the only city in the world divided by the Bosphorus Strait, creating a unique blend of cultures, architecture, and traditions. Istanbul has two main airports, Istanbul Airport on the European side and Sabiha Gökçen Airport on the Asian side. And for this trip, we are landing at Sabiha Gökçen, so let's begin our journey there.
After landing, we exit the plane and board an airport shuttle bus. This bus takes us directly from the aircraft to the entrance of the terminal building. We enter through the International Arrivals entrance. From here, we follow the signs toward the passport control area. It's important to pay attention and choose the correct lane. Red lane, for passengers who need to collect their baggage and exit to the city. This is our route. Blue lane, international transfer connection, for those catching another international flight. Pink lane, domestic transfer connection, for passengers transferring to a flight within Turkey. Now, let's take a look at the arrivals floor plan. Here, you can see our approximate path from the terminal entrance all the way through passport control. Next, we proceed to the baggage claim area. This area is designed for passengers who have just arrived and need to pick up their checked luggage. There are several baggage carousels, and each flight is assigned to a specific belt. In this zone, you can also find a kiosk for connecting to free airport Wi-Fi. First, choose your language, then scan your document as shown on the screen. After that, the system will display a personal PIN code, which you can use to log into the Wi-Fi network. There is also a duty-free store nearby. Duty-free shops offer tax-free goods, but purchases are available only to international travelers upon showing a boarding pass and passport. Finally, we move towards the customs control zone with the familiar green and red corridors. If you don't have goods or cash that must be declared, simply go through the green corridor. After we leave the baggage claim area and pass through the customs control zone, we enter the exit to city and ground transportation area. This is a large, open space with many useful services. Here, you can once again find a station with free airport Wi-Fi. There is also a medical assistance center, free restrooms, a currency exchange office, and bank ATMs. In this area, you can also purchase a Turkish SIM card. There is a small zone with cafes and snack shops. From here, you have two options. You can either exit directly outside to the city, or go straight to the metro entrance, which is located inside the terminal. We will take the metro to reach the city. From the arrivals area, we go down the escalator and simply follow the signs. It's almost impossible to get lost here because the path leads only in one direction, straight to the metro station. And along the way, you'll see plenty of signs to guide you. Now, let's talk about ticket prices. On the screen, you can see the cost of public transportation tickets in Istanbul at the beginning of 2026. Of course, the actual prices may change, so it's best to check the official website of the transportation company for updated information. However, you can travel much cheaper if you use the Istanbulkart. Istanbulkart is an electronic transportation card that works like a prepaid debit card for buses, trams, ferries, and metro lines. It offers significantly lower fares compared to single-use paper tickets. The card itself costs 165 Turkish lira without balance. After that, you just add credit to it. Right before the metro entrance, you'll find special ticket machines. Here you can buy single-use tickets, purchase an Istanbulkart, or top up your existing card. These machines support multiple languages, so using them is very straightforward. After buying your ticket or topping up your Istanbulkart, we tap the card at the turnstile and continue toward the metro platforms. Metro trains in Istanbul are modern, clean, and comfortable. The bright pink and white exterior design makes the cars easy to spot, while the spacious, air-conditioned interiors provide a pleasant escape from the city heat. Each station is clearly announced, ensuring a smooth journey for both locals and tourists. Now, let's take a look at the metro map.
Istanbul has many metro lines, and right now we are on the M4 line. We are boarding at Sabiha Gökçen Airport station, and we need to travel all the way to the final stop, Kadikoy. The journey takes approximately 1 hour. And here we are. We've arrived at Kadikoy station. We step out of the train, go up the escalators, and simply follow the signs again. We've finally reached the heart of the Asian side. But our journey is just getting started. In the next video, we'll explore the vibrant Kadikoy ferry area, see the famous Bosphorus views, and hop on a boat to the European side. See you in Kadikoy!